Rowdy's here from Dot Gaming. Welcome to another video on White Noise. It's only me and Yellow Girl left, and I've been wanting to kill myself. Right? Yeah. It's 'cause I'm white, isn't it? Why would you be purple? You don't have. That... Okay, I just had a heart attack. I want to move to New York. New York! Concrete jungle where dreams are made of! Jesus Christ. Now you're in my mom! This is racist. Yanks. I don't know how it's racist. Hey, that's a nice blue face you got there. I like that blue face you got there. Where did you get it? Oh, that didn't even scare me. I don't know why I said oh. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's too beautiful. It's beautiful. I love pickles. I want to lick that pickle. Lickle the pickle. Lickle the pickle. Lickle the pickle. Lickle the pickle. Oh, he's got nice nipples. When White Noise kills you, look at his nipples. Beautiful. Beautiful nipples. Hey, we're stalkers. Hey, 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 how's it going? Do. Why does that look? What's wrong with the pickle? Why is the pickle moldy? No, don't look at the pickle. Not the pickle, not the pickle. Hey, there's some nice boobies you got there. Did you look at his nipples? His nipples are beautiful. No. Did you just call me a hoe? No. Why did you say in this body? Who is the grey lion? I'm red. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna. No. I used to. Alright guys, that was White Noise, and this is Lickle the Pickle.